Thank you for attending this presentation. My name is Federico Albanese from the University of Buenos Aires, Argentina. I am presenting the work Community Pooling, Latent Digital Allocation, Topic Modeling in Twitter. Social networks plays a fundamental role in propagation of information and news. Characterizing the content of messages becomes vital for tasks like fake news detection or personalized message recommendation. However, microblog messages are very short texts, which make it challenging to apply text mining algorithms efficiently. Using each tweet as an individual document does not present adequate term co-occurrence data within documents. This induced the idea that aggregating similar tweets gives place to larger documents and allows latent digital allocation to learn better topic decompositions. Different methods for aggregating tweets were presented in literature. For example, group post by author, hashtag, or by conversation. Tweet pooling has been shown to improve topic decomposition, but the performance depends on the pooling method. We propose a new pooling scheme for topic modeling in Twitter, which groups tweets whose author belongs to the same community on the retweet network into a single document. First, we build a retweet graph, where users were the nodes and retweets between them were the edges. Secondly, we cluster users using the Lubine method for community detection. Then, a single document consists of all tweets authored by all users in each community. The number of words in a document was bigger than previous method, and the number of documents was smaller, making the word co-occurrence matrix more dense, which has been shown to be beneficial for latent digital allocation. We construct a Twitter dataset using generic terms as query in order to evaluate our model and compare our proposed model with 5 other tweet methods proposed in the literature. We evaluate them in terms of cluster purity. Also, normalize mutual information of the communities to measure the cluster quality. We use a supervised machine learning classification task, where a random forest and a naive Bayes model takes the latent digital allocation decomposition of a tweet as input and tries to predict the query with which the tweet was downloaded. Therefore, this task indicates if the topic decomposition resulting from latent digital allocation when applying each pooling method is a good descriptor of the query level. Also, we use a document retrieval task, where each tweet in a test set was used as a query, and we return tweets from the train set with the most topic similarity. If the retrieved tweet have the same query level, we consider it relevant. Our results indicate that the novel community-based pooling outperforms all other pooling strategies in all tasks and metrics in this generic Twitter dataset. Moreover, our method is considerably faster than other pooling methods. If you want further information, you could review the references. And if you want to use this model in order to know the topic of discussion of your Twitter dataset or generate text embeddings based off the topics, feel free to use our code. If you have any comments or questions, you can contact me via email. Thank you for your time.